Alright, here's my Ultra Security 15mm padlock. No markings. At one point it did say Ultra Security on here, but I machined it off. And that's the only other marking besides where it's stamped stainless on the shackle. Okay, here are the keys. They do work well. No springs inside this lock. So turn and you pull the shackle out, and it is key retaining. There's no place for the bearings to go. And then it comes out again. There's the brand marking Ultra. And the machining of the lock is not that good, although it does feel very solid. It's not machined flat all the way. That's where the bearings went in, and here's where it was pinned. Okay. I'm actually just going to open this really fast just by raking it. You don't really have to single pin pick it to get this guy open. And because there's no springs in here, you just have to make sure you're putting very light tension on it. I'm going to use this Bogota made by Sparrows. They call it a triple peak or triple rake, something like that. Alright, let me see if I can get this open. If I feel like something's overset, I'll just reset the lock. So very light tension. And there we go. See if I can do that one more time. I use this rake a lot. There we go. And we're done. Alright, thanks for watching.